What's the meaning of convulsively? Convulsively. Convulsively.
Convulsively. Convulsively. The word convulsively refers to something that is done in a spasmodic or sudden manner, often uncontrollably. When someone does something convulsively, it can imply that they are doing it without a lot of forethought or control over their actions. This can have a range of results depending on the situation. For example, if someone laughs convulsively, it may be interpreted as them being unable to control their laughter and laughing excessively. In contrast, if someone reaches for something convulsively, it may indicate that they are desperate or hurried in their actions.